from USANA Philippines. This is USANA Philippines Pacesetter Academy.
Grabe, ang dami pala talagang naging PPPS and Premier Platinum Pacesetter. So maraming salamat and congratulations sa inyong lahat. Palakpakan niyo yung bawat isa.
Good afternoon, Cebu! So this is our second Pacesetter Academy here in Cebu.
We are gathered here to celebrate the first milestone in your first 56 days as a USANA distributor. And that also started my journey here.
So step 1, guys, to become a professional is to become part of the healthiest family on earth. Next, our job is to network. Okay? Ano ba ng network? Build relationships and add value. So it's really about increasing your circle of influence.
Bakit ko pinili si USANA? Financial success. Lahat ng effort mo, lahat ng mga pinagpaguran mo, recognitions, awards, incentives, makukuha yan sa USANA. Ikaw na lang yung inaantay.
Viva USANA! We set the pace!
How to share the products effectively. First tip na ko sa inyo is you have to know your audience. Know your audience means know the needs, the preferences, and the pain points of your target market. And of course, prepare engaging visuals. Use high quality videos, photos, graphics to enhance your presentation.
Let's leave our success not here, in this room. Step on it and get the higher goal. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Celebrate one time, big time. Come on! Come on, ubusin mo na lahat. Magtatrabaho ka na ulit because the flooding is over.
This milestone of becoming a PPPS, it's just a start of the process that you will go through along the way in building this business. Dili siya like a get-rich-quick scheme. The moment you become a PPPS, right, and then you will become successful right away. But this is the first milestone. Dito po sa USANA, diba, your success is the success of the company. We value your trust. That is why we are here to support you all the way. And we would want to welcome you to this onboarding experience for all the Platinum Pacesetters, for all the Premier Pacesetters who are our future leaders in the company.
If you want to take full ownership of your USANA business, it starts with number 1, understanding the opportunity of USANA and how amazing it is to be in this business.
I am Ann Inventor, PPPS Creator.
I'm Allen Santos, Ruby Director, your next Diamond Director, and a PPPS Creator.
How do you leverage on your PPS title? Sabi ni John D. Rockefeller, siya yung pinakamayamang tao nung araw, I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of my own efforts. In this type of business, diba, you can have that opportunity without having to pay them salary. At in the same way, alam mo ba na pag yung associates na yan, nasa under na ng organization mo, forever na siya doon.
Anywhere, anytime you go, make sure you connect with a person. Before, when they say connect, I thought, pag mag-connect, enroll. Okay? So, mag-connect ko, I add them on Facebook, yes, sell dayon kog USANA. Pero wrong day siya. Okay? It means you just need to connect. You just make friends with them.
So what are the things that help us in succeeding this business? Number 1 is clarity. No, unsa ba gyud imong gusto? Nganong nag-Usana man ka? Na-understand ba nato ang potential sa Usana business? And second is embrace your Usana business. Meaning, proud po tayo na nandito tayo sa Usana.
We are Usana! We set the pace!
Hindi po kayo nag-join sa Usana para lang mag-PPPS. Nag-join ka sa Usana para ma-achieve mo ang diamond income lifestyle. Sumali ka sa Usana dahil ang goal mo talaga ma-achieve yung mga pangarap mo.
The problem is actually our belief about failure. Because failure is part of success, but it is not acceptable that you end with failure. So now I ask, how do you know about the skill of bouncing back from failures? By simply measuring how long is your drama time after a setback. What you need to train yourself for is that when you experience failure, in the next 2 minutes, you're already planning for your next attack.
Congratulations to all of you. This is really a huge milestone for you. And I hope that next August 17, marami tayong madala para mas mapuno natin yung room natin na to.
We are